Hello everyone, myself Saptak Bhattacharya, and today let's let's continue with our DS series. So this is the question basically. I have to find the unique Morse code words. Basically, every element or 26 letters in the alphabet contains a Morse code, right? So I will be provided with basically suppose in the input I got that green then gig image, right? So for gain this is the pattern for then for gig and for image. Now if you closely look that two of them are different. Basically these two are the same and these two are a little bit different, right? So for that reason, what I have to do now, the question states that every character from A to Z contains its own Morse code, right? So I have to got those Morse code and check how many of them are different transformations, right? As you can see that closely watching each of the characters, you can see that here are uh, two signs, right? Here are three dots, and here are one slash, and here you can see that here are two underscore or two minus symbols, whatever you say, and there is a dot, right? So these two are different, right? And for words like one word or one alphabet, it will return output as one. Okay, so how I will code this? For the easier purpose, LeetCode has provided us with all the 26 alphabet letters Morse code. So what I will do, I will just take a vector of strings, right? Because this is the vector, right, containing a string. So I will write a vector of string at first, vector of string containing. I will just give it as code because this is most right code. And then what I will do, just go for testing from to that. Okay. As you can see that I have pasted each of the code here, all the 26 alphabet codes. Now, after coming outside, I will take it unordered loop, right? Unordered side, sorry. Now, within that unordered set, I will get a string. Take a string and name it as transform will be a better place. So let's go for transform. And for the second thing, it will be for a for loop of for loop and in the folder I'll just pick next. Okay. Okay. Just continue. Okay. So, and, 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 for now, and for after folder within this folder, for the characters in the world, so, uh, we- I will move from here. code which we do and the character name is okay. So the passport, then the transform another set straight, and then uh, I will fix that. And my passport size is so in there was after taking words I'm taking character from this word, right? Not from the words. So all the test cases are passed. Let's check. So yeah, the the acceptance level 52 and test cases are the part. So if you like the concept behind this question and the way I solve this with providing my answer, if you like that, you can do a like, share, subscribe, and also share it with your friends. And thank you for watching.